Hello, my name is Habib Syafi'i and my name 14823077. I'm from Prodi Sistekin C class. I'm here. I will explain here about computer hardware. So let's look at the following explanation. Computer hardware is the physical component that make up a computer system. Hardware is responsible for performing computational and data processing tasks. Hardware can be divided into two main categories, input hardware and output hardware. Input hardware is hardware disk that is used to input data into a computer. Example of input hardware include a keyboard, mouse, touchpad, and camera. The first, keyboard. A keyboard is an input device that allows user to input text and other command into a computer. It is typically made up of a series of keys, each of which correspond to a different character of command. And the second, mouse. Mouse is an input device that allows user to control the cursor on a computer. It is typically made up of a small handheld device with a button on top. The user moves the mouse around on a flat surface, and the cursor on the screen moves in the same direction. And the three, touchpad. A touchpad is touch sensitive surface that allows user to control cursor and a computer screen. It is typical found on laptop and other portable devices. The user can use their finger to move the cursor around on the touchpad, and they can also use gestures to perform certain tasks. And the fourth is camera. A camera is in a input device that allows user to take picture or record videos. It is typical made up of a lens, a sensor, and a shutter. The lens focus the light on to the sensor, which then computers the image or video. And the next, output hardware is hardware that is used to display or generate information that has been processed by the computer. Example of output hardware include monitor, central processing unit or CPU, and the three, random access memory RAM, and the next, solid state drive SS. The first is monitor. A monitor is an output device that displays information from a computer. It is typically made up of a screen, a power supply, and a control panel. The screen is made up of pixels, which are tiny dots of light that can be turned on or off to create image. And the second is CPU. The CPU, or Central Processing Unit, is the brain of the computer. It is responsible for carrying out the instructions that are given to the computer. The CPU is typically made up of a single of multiple processor. And the next is RAM. RAM, or random access memory, is a type of memory that is used to store data that is currently being used by the computer. RAM is typically volatile, meaning that is loses its contents when the computer is turned off. And the next is SSD. An SSD or solid state drive is a tipping storage storage device that uses flash memory to store data. SSD are typical faster than traditional hard drivers, but they are also more expensive. And the last is HDD or hard disk drive. HDD is a traditional typing of storage device that uses magnetic disk to store data. HDD are typical the less expensive than SSD, but they are also slower. And that was an explanation of computer hardware, and that's all for me. Thank you very much and bye bye.